Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to remove activation lock on iPad instantly. So let's get started. Yes, encountering activation lock on an iPad can indeed be frustrating, especially if you are unable to contact the previous owner or if it's something important. So, while primary and most reliable method to remove activation lock is through the legitimate owner's Apple ID and password, but we also have some few alternative ways to potentially address the issue. So, the first way is iUnlock.app website. iUnlock app offers many great features for users to take care of their activation lock and regain full control of the devices. iUnlock can manage to have many developers on hand who constantly verify and update your software to ensure it has the highest standard of safety, reliability, and stability. And the other one is onlockhere.com. Onlockhere.com provides AI-generated tool to fix your activation issues. Follow the instruction provided by AI to expedite your request and activate your service. Don't worry, they offer video tutorials and step-by-step guides to assist you. These procedures typically take no more than 5 minutes and are straightforward to accomplish. So, AI is there to assist providing an easy solution to unlock your device and get you back within few minutes. And it is very safe and very reliable. And the last option is reach out to Apple support for assistance. They may be able to help you verify ownership or provide guidance on possible solutions for removing activation lock. So guys, by following these steps, we are sure that you will be able to bypass your activation lock in iPad. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.